Hello, very good morning. Okay, so let's start with our session. Okay, fine. So, uh, those whoever missed our last two classes, please go through the online link so that that will be helpful for you people. So, okay. Okay, so again, I will just revise what we discussed yesterday. Simple. So we have discussed about our course content. So this is our course content. Programming language will deal with C Sharp. So web technologies, ASP.NET. In this ASP.NET, one second. Okay. In this ASP.NET, we'll deal with ASP.NET MVC, Web API, ASP.NET Core, everything we will teach. Okay. In database, we will teach SQL Server. So I have explained about what are the differences between this programming language, web technologies, database related, everything I have explained. So those who ever missed, please go through our previous classes. Okay. So and here and one more is UI technologies. Here we'll teach like HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Bootstrap, jQuery, Angular with TypeScript. These are all the things will comes under UI technologies. So if you take this .NET full stack course, then all these things will be covered. Each and everything will be covered. Okay. So real-time project. So the real-time project is not mentioned in that course content, but the thing is like so so your main aim is what to learn .NET. So if you learn all these things, then you will get complete idea on .NET full core full stack. Okay, so when you have idea, so in this ASP.NET, whenever we are working on it, so whenever we are learning here, so I will give the small tasks to you guys, and end of the day, after completion of all the tasks, so you will get real time, you will get real time project experience, and I also will help you guys in getting that. Okay, fine. So we will also teach so we'll also teach I will also try to show you, if I have access to Azure, so I will show you guys how to deploy that portal in Azure portal. So all these things we are going to discuss on this real-time project. So, and also I will share my number soon, so if anyone have questions or something, if people can, I mean questions in the sense in when we start our coding things and all, coding examples and all, that time if you people ask me, if you people have any questions or something, just ping me, so that I will definitely try to help whenever I'm free. Okay, so fine. So that's what this is what our course content. So fine. So now the thing is, sir, we have programming language, web technologies, database, UI technologies, so many things are there, but how to learn all these things? Do I need to learn at a time, or do I need to learn one by one? Or is there any prerequisites for learning C Sharp? Is there any prerequisites for learning MVC? Or is there any prerequisites for learning SQL Server or UI technologies? So yesterday, so many people asked me this question, right? So yeah, and parallelly, if anyone have any questions, so please ping here in the chat. Please message in this chat, so that whenever I see those messages, I will definitely reply. Okay, so that's right. Okay, fine. So many people ask the same questions. So, but the thing here is, okay, so now I will just explain. And someone was asking me, like, sir, do we need C language? Sir, do we need C++ for learning? Okay, sir, do we need core Java something? So so many people were asking me like that. See, so so in my view, the prerequisites for learning .NET is a good English. That's it. So I'm repeating again. So for learning this complete .NET course, so if you know good English, if you know how to write APPLE apple spelling, okay, if you know apple spelling, then I will feel like, so you people can happily learn .NET for sure. Okay, how, sir? So, sir, so many people told us C language. We need to have some knowledge on C language. Some people may tell we need to know some idea on C++. So some people told me we need to have core Java. Some people told me XYZ. Some people told me something XYZ and all. So the answer for that is C. Simple. So yeah, I agree with them. So C language is mother of all the programming languages. Okay, so like, so we will use the basics of C language only. Okay, so but the thing here is, so you don't need to learn again and again, or you don't need to learn that C language separately. So we will deal with all the C language concepts here. Okay, so here in our C sharp consists of, so initially we will discuss about all the C language basics. Like, so if you people remember what is variable, what are data types, what are different types of data types. We will discuss about arrays, we will discuss about structures, we will discuss about different types of like, conditional statements, like if condition, else if else, nested if, everything. And also we'll discuss about what is that, switch case. Okay, so we also discuss about loops, like while loop, do while loop. Okay, so now people tell me, is there any other concepts available in C language other than this? Okay, so just follow our classes. So by after 6-7 classes, okay, once we start with our main course, so after 6-7 classes we will complete with our C language. Okay, so C language means not our BTech subject, C subject or something. This will be next level. So you will get more idea on it. So you will feel like, so this is very much easy. You will feel like that. Okay, that is also one thing. Okay, so now clear, right? Sir, what about C++ or something? See, so after completion of your C sharp.NET, so you will have idea on C sharp, C++, core Java, and this Python basics also. Okay, so you will learn all these things by yourself. Why? Because here we have a concept called loops. Yesterday you people seen in demo, right? So maybe so the as per our course content, that is like some 11th 12th topic, right? So when we start with the oops concepts, so see, oops is like basics for all the programming. Okay, like in our C sharp, so oops is like heart of this programming for us. So so we will teach there. Okay, we'll teach there. So once we complete the oops concepts, then you will get more idea on it. Okay, so you will get more idea on it, and you will get complete knowledge on like C sharp, C++, core Java, everything. So that's why I'm saying, so you don't need to learn anything. Okay, is that fine? So is that answer for for you people's question? And the most important question, so sir, I'm from mechanical background, so do I need to learn this .NET? So can I learn that .NET? Is that possible? And some people may ask me like, sir, I'm from civil. I done my BTech in civil. Sir, I'm from MBA background. So can I able to learn the .NET? Sir, if can someone ask, sir, I'm from CSE background. I am from EC background. Or sir, I'm from degree background. So will I able to learn .NET? So my answer for you guys is yes, you can happily learn. So if you are from MBBS also, you can happily learn .NET. That's what the greatness of IT. Okay, so anyone can survive in this IT. So similarly, if you say so how to learn, that means you need to attend the classes regularly. Okay. Okay. So you need to learn each and every concept. You need to practice each and every program regularly. Okay. So you need to practice each and every program on your own. Okay. So if you have doubts, you can connect with me. You can send a mail, or you can you can connect with my personal number or something. So definitely I will be there, and I will help you guys. But the thing is, so you need to work, I mean, you need to practice everything, and you need to prepare everything. See, I don't need much time. So every day we are having class for 1 hour. Okay. And you just spend 1 more hour for practicing the programs. That's it. And for reading and practicing, just take 1 more hour. That's it per day. If you spend 2 hours of time for this .NET, so then what will happen after 3 months or 2 months? Once C sharp is completed, C sharp is not only completed, you will also learn, you will also complete the course. So see, I mean, in my view, completion means when you learn, then only you are completed. Otherwise, like, so you will pay the fees, and people will take the fees. Again, you will join. Again, you will join, but you never learn that. So that's why. So whenever you are learning something, just practice everything, and practice on your own, and prepare for that yourself, and finally you will get more idea on it. Okay. So clear. So now, the prerequisites for learning .NET is what? So if you know this English very well, again, sir, my communication is not good, sir, so can I able to learn .NET? Yes, man, you can learn. So see, if you know this English properly, what, see, if you can speak fluent English, or yes, I mean, sometimes someone can speak, someone cannot speak fluently, but still the spelling of apple won't change. Okay. If you are in USA, or if you are in India, if you are in UK, wherever, the spelling of apple won't change. Similarly, so if you know the English, then you can learn. That's what I feel. Okay. Sir, you are saying so many things, but just trust me, after 3 months you will also feel the same. Okay. Fine. So clear, right? So there is no prerequisites for learning .NET. So I mean, we will cover everything in our class only. That's what I am telling. So we need C language basics, we need C++, that is like added advantage. Good to have all those things, but it's not like mandatory for learning those things. Okay. So clear. And so any background people, I mean, in btech degree, medical field, whatever, any background, any qualification, so anyone can join this .NET session. So I mean, so there is no prerequisites or something like, so you can happily learn that. Okay. So clear. So fine. So now the biggest question, sir. Now we have so many concepts. Our narration is providing so many things. I feel like, even for counting this one, you will get some 15-20 courses are there here. Okay. But this is narration is providing for very much reasonable. So I feel it's very less also, but still okay. I'm not again. I'm not supporting or something like, but really this is very nice. Why? Because we have so many courses available. Okay, so if we learn all this individual also, it will take so much. Okay, so if some people are from US, in our first demo, some people told. So ask them, then they will tell the cost. Okay, so see, I divided the above course content into few sessions. Okay. So session one. So ultimately we came here for learning .NET. So our first preference is what? Session one, C sharp only. Okay. Okay. So as I mentioned earlier, so we don't have any prerequisites, no dependencies on other courses for learning C sharp. Okay. So now anyway, you people joined the C sharp course. So that's why I feel like you don't need to worry about all these things. So there is no dependency on other courses. Okay, so anyway, we can continue this session like this. So you are learning C#, that is fine. So the session 2 will be either UI technologies or SQL server. Okay, so the session 2 will be what? Either UI technologies or what? SQL server. So you can go for any course. So for this for session 2 also we don't have any dependency. I mean it's not mandatory to learn C# also for going for this UI or SQL. Okay, so but you don't join now. I mean I will tell those people whoever join for full .NET Core full stack package. So maybe after some 6-7 sessions, otherwise you will feel some burden. So maybe once we start with our whoops concepts, that time you can go for this UI technologies or SQL server, whichever available batches in our Naresh IT. Just connect with our admin team, just they will guide you, so you can go to that session. Okay, so my recommendation for session 2, you can go for UI technologies. Okay, so clear. So if we have available for SQL server or UI technologies, anything you can go for it. So I suggest you people after starting our whoops concepts. So then if you go, then you won't have any confusion, and your C#, I mean our C# classes will be started. We will start with programming and everything. So you will feel like some comfortableness with our C#. So then if you go here, then what will happen? You can manage both of the sessions parallel. So anyway, the session will be for 1 hour, 1.5 hours. That's it. Okay, so you can happily manage your timings. Okay, so that's why. So this session 1 I will teach. Session 2 and 3 our other faculties will teach. Okay, so you can go for either session 2 or session 3. So when you will when you will go for the session, as per my suggestion, if you go after starting our whoops concepts, okay, maybe 10 more days. Okay, 10 after 10 days. So just 10 or 15 days, you just connect with our admins and just ask them, is there any UI technologies new batches, or is there any SQL server new batches, so that they will suggest you guys. So just speak with them and okay, so then you can go. See, there is no they don't arise any sequence or something. So we'll have regular batches for everything. See, for C#, UI technologies, SQL servers, web technologies, Angular with TypeScript, all the batches will run parallelly in Naresh IT. So every day or weekly they used to start new batches. So we need to check with them, and we need to choose based upon our availability, your timings, and some people, yes, I know some people are working, so everything. So you need to check with our admin team, so that they will help you guys. Okay, just check with them and they will help you. Okay, anyway, not now, after after 10 classes of C#. Okay, so just go parallelly for UI technologies and SQL server. Okay, so first you go for SQL server, sorry, UI technologies. After 1 week or something, 10 days, if you feel comfortable with this UI technologies, then go for SQL server also parallelly. So what will happen, within this 3 months, you will complete these 3 things at a time. Okay, so clear, any questions up to here? So see, this is what biggest confusion. Why? Because you people don't have much knowledge on I mean course content. See, we are providing so many courses here. So which is the best order and how to follow all these things? I know so many people asked me the question yesterday. That's why I'm explaining each and everything here. Okay, so clear, right? Clear, right? Okay then. So so now you people have knowledge on what UI technologies and SQL server, right? Now session 4. Session 4 is what? So our session 4 is web technologies. What we will discuss here, web technologies, this one. ASP.NET, ASP.NET MVC, Web API, ASP.NET Core. So this session 4 definitely require knowledge on C#, UI technologies, and SQL Server. Okay. So this web technologies, I only will teach here in the same session. Okay. Once we are done with our C#, the very next class will be web technologies only. Okay, got it? So once we are done with our C# session, we will start with our web technologies only here only. So you don't need to worry about it. But still, if you are in hurry or something, so you can still connect with our admin team. They will help you guys. So if we have any other faculties or something, so if we have any classes, any new classes are starting or something, then definitely they will guide you. Okay, so clear, right? So this is what our session 4. So session 4, you don't need to worry. Why? Because this will be again our 6 to 7 after completion of our C# class. Okay, so clear. And finally our session 5. Session 5. So for learning the session 5, we definitely need to have knowledge on HTML and JavaScript. So this is what Angular with TypeScript here. So that's what our session 2. Okay, for learning this Angular with TypeScript, you definitely need to have some knowledge on session 2. That is what our UI technologies. So for this one, what I will feel, so you can go for interviews after. So those who are we are not having job, if they are I mean, if they are trying for a new job or something, so then what you will do, so simple. So after completion of this interview, this courses session 1 to session 4, so you can try the interviews outside, you can practice everything, and you can go for interviews and parallelly learn this one. Okay, and parallelly learn this one. This will be definitely added advantage for your profile. Okay, so nowadays, see, if anyone is going for interviews, then what they are doing, they're simply asking whether you have knowledge on Angular 2, Angular 3, Angular 6, Angular 8, Node.js, something. So they're asking Vue.js. So they're all asking about this JS. So if you learn this Angular with TypeScript, then that will be easy for you. So anyway, so now currently, so we are having some latest some Angular version. Okay, so similarly you can have all these things. Okay, so this is what, so clear. So this is what the course content from our end. So this is what the order from my end. So I recommend, so if you follow this one, yeah, Fazlur Rahman is we learn in this course ASP.NET Web API, MVC, ASP.NET Core, and SQL Server. Yes. See, first thing, session 1, myself, session 2, session 3, other faculty, session 4, again me, and session 5 will be other faculty. Mostly the person who teach this session 2, they will teach this session 5. But see, you don't meet me after 2-3 sessions. It's not like that. So we always will meet, like, so once session 1 is completed, so our session 4 will start. So meanwhile, until you complete your .NET, we both, I mean, you people, whoever joined this session and me, will be in contact. In the sense, so our course will continue. Like, so once C# is completed, we will start with the web technologies, right? So so that's why, so we definitely, I mean, so once this class is completed, the next day we will start with our web technologies. So that's why, so we both will be in touch for sure. That's what I can tell. Okay. Okay, so I just spoke with our admin. So many people are asking me, fees related. So I will just show you the voucher of that. So I requested them to get that. But the thing is, so before that, I will just explain. See, okay. Meanwhile, I will answer a few questions I got from our persons. So yeah, Ankit, so I answered your question. So Krishna Vamsi, sir, is the fee for C Sharp and web technologies will be same or we have to pay again? So man, if you take a full .NET full stack course, so then all the things whatever I shown there, all those things will be covered with that same fee structure. Okay, may I know the duration of session one? So I told multiple times it's 2 to 3 months. So, sir, will you teach entity framework core? So we deal with we focus on ADO.NET, but I will teach the basics of entity also. Anyway, .NET course we will discuss. So if session 4 will start, then when you will get time to learn session 2, 3, sir. So that's what I told. So in middle, after completion of in our one of after completion of 10 classes, I will tell you people to go for the session 2 and 3. Okay. Sir, meantime, is it possible to complete session 2 and session 3? Yeah, you can. So what is our course duration from C Sharp, ASP.NET, Web API until? So if you go everything parallelly, it will be like 5 to 6 months. So if session 4 will start, then when we will get time to learn session 2, comma 3 means parallelly on same day. So man, so see, it will be those two sessions will be 1 month sessions like that only. Simple, just see, and there are basics related, they are all they will be easy only. So if you practice for half an hour or 1 hour, that is enough. So that's what. So if you have 3 4 hours time every day, so see after now you people don't know anything in C Sharp. Even my other batch students, they are also when they came on day one, they also felt whatever the questions you people are asking, they also asked me this type of questions only. But they are now very much confident. I know some of your friends referred here. Some of your other friends are joined my other sessions. So they recommended. So I hope they told you how I used to explain it. So how they are confident now. So similarly, after a few sessions, maybe some 7 8 sessions or something. So once we start with our coding, so I will make it very much easy. I will try to explain each and everything in easy manner so that everyone can understand everything. And so you can easily overcome all your queries, doubts, everything. So within 1 week of time, next 1 week of time, you people can write you people can start writing the code in .NET. Okay, so just trust me, and everything will be easy only. Okay, I will make it easy for you people. That's what I can tell you. Okay, session 4 is going to start after 3 months. Session 4, what is that session? Web technologies. So not 3 months exactly, madam. So if we complete C Sharp by tomorrow, we'll start from day after tomorrow, like that. So once our C Sharp is completed the very next day. Okay. Okay. So my C Sharp session will be, so you don't need to confuse us for us. So our session C Sharp will be like 2 to 3 months. Okay. See, if we have some public holidays and all, that's why I'm telling like 2 to 3 months. So mostly like so it's a 1 hour session. So usually if we take one and a half hour session or something, we can complete it within 2 months or 2 months 10 days, like that. But it's a 1 hour session. That's why I'm telling 2 to 3 months. Okay, no confusion. Okay, so clear for us. Okay, so again, web technologies will be 2 months. Not clear. We need to do additional courses for what? You don't need to do any additional courses for learning .NET. So that's what I told. If you know basic English, then you can learn. So session 1 and 4, session 1 C# will be it's like 2 to 3 months, and session 4 will be 2 months. Yeah, Faiznur Rahman, I will answer your question. So Padan Sri, so that's what I told. So if you are from you are saying you are from mechanical background, so you don't need to worry about it. So you just I mean, just concentrate on the course and practice, and just follow my words every day. So definitely that will become easy for you. So it's not like mechanical civil. So if you are from MBBS background also, you can learn this .NET easily. So see, so when we are going with our session 1, so so you people don't confuse with session 1, session 2, 3 order. So I will definitely tell when to go for session 2 and 3. So just follow me, then that's fine. Okay, so so those who are confusing, so people don't need to worry about it. So simple, I will tell you when to go for session 2 and 3. So just check with our admin team and just go for session 2 and 3. That's enough. Okay, so you don't think now, you people please don't think about session 2 and 3. For now, you please think about session 1 only, that is our C#. Okay, clear? Timing will be same, 6 to 7. Okay. So, Sujata, so study material I will only share, and we'll have some after completion of every session. So you can get some recordings. So our admin team will take care of it. Okay. Okay. So fine. So please connect with admin team for recording so that they will help. Yes, all the sessions will comes under one package only. Fine. So some people are asking me the fee structure. So please see here. Before that, and the last important concept. So with that, we from next session onwards, we will go directly go into .NET. So see, Naresh IT is providing an opportunity. It will conduct an exam after completion of your course. Okay. So that is for 2018 and above passos. If someone see, Nareshat is providing job opportunities. So some people are asking me, sir, is there any job opportunities? Yes, we have. So an opportunity from Nareshat, it will conduct exam after end of the course. Only 2018 above pass outs. Okay, if someone qualify in that exam, they will show you placements. Okay, so you don't need to pay any extra fees for that, especially that is what note. Okay, so you don't need to pay extra fees for that. So Naresh IT will conduct exam. So sir, what about the questions and all? So if you follow our classes regularly, if you follow each and every class of us, then that will be our syllabus. That will be there only will get all the questions from that from our syllabus, from our classroom syllabus, whatever we are teaching, we are dealing. So whatever we are explaining here, so if you follow them properly, then that's it. So you will get a job. So you will able to clear that exam. Okay, fine. So you don't ask me the questions because I don't know. Okay, so clear. So this is what our thing. So fee structure, some people are asking. So I spoke with our admin team and I got this one. Okay. So for our session, our admin name is Hari Prasad, and this is his mobile number. Please take some screenshot. Okay. So Jonna Gopal Lakshmi, Gopal Krishna, someone. So if someone prepared, definitely they will get the job. So Naresh IT is giving better training, and some lakhs of people are training from Naresh IT every month, and people are getting jobs. And you can come to our institute and you can check for placements. So there are there they will display all the details of placements, and you can connect with them and check with them. Okay. Yes, Varham Devi. So you need to go for on your Dev. Only 2018 and above pass through. So if you want, then you need to write the exam. I mean, you need to after completion of your course. See, you can try outside. There are so many opportunities. See, any like it's not like in IT anyone can join, right? So even 2010 pass out, 8 pass out, it's not like that. If you learn, if you have knowledge, or if you have talents, you can easily get the job. Okay, fine. So clear. Okay, so guys, this is what see. So I hope you people took the photo of this one. Okay. Okay, they mentioned for C sharp, if you want a full stack and everything, just check with our headman, Hari Prasad. So he will definitely guide you. Okay, so clear. So guys, so did you people took this one? So see, the course for fees for C sharp is 3,500. So and here you can check with them, and also this is our WhatsApp support number, and you can check with our admin Hari Prasad. So this is his WhatsApp number. See, just connect with him and message him in WhatsApp. So if you people start calling him, then what will happen? So see, not only this batch, we are dealing with so many batches. So here we have like 125, 130 people are joining here in this class. Okay, that's why. Okay, so this is what our Naresh IT account details. Okay, so you can take this branch details. So you can do this. Okay, so clear. So I'm closing this one. Is that fine? Okay, fine. Fine. I'm just closing this document. Okay, if anyone did not took the screenshot something, please take that. Okay, and connect with our admin Hari Prasad, so he will guide you for everything, and you can ask him for full stack fees codes and everything. So he will guide, and you people can take that. Just follow his instructions. Okay, clear. So fine. So is that clear? Okay, I'm just closing the document. Okay. Okay, so finally we will enter into this .NET. Okay, so I will just teach what is .NET. After that, again, I will come back to your questions. Please give me some time. Okay, fine. So finally, we have, so now we know what we are going to learn for after next 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, something. Okay, again, so if I tell the number, then you people will tell, sir, I'm confused. So with the timelines and that, so you don't confuse with the timelines and don't confuse me. See, so we'll try to finish that as soon as possible. Okay, so fine. So fine. So we are learning .NET and we are learning C#. Currently, we are learning C#. But what is the purpose of this .NET? So what is the use of this .NET? So see, this .NET is launched by Microsoft in the year of 2002. Okay, so the main purpose of .NET is for building various kind of application like mobile application, web application, desktop application, cloud application, machine learning related, game development, all these things. Sir, we all will do all these things. Yeah. So after completion of your .NET, you people can try on your own. So just after completion of all the .NET related things and all, so you can try on your own and you can do. See if you're learning your .NET and if you're getting some placements as a fresher or experienced or something, so we will get into different companies and based upon their company requirements and all, they will definitely place you into one project. Okay, so that projects will be like some companies may place you in web application. So what are web applications? So the application which is available in internet like facebook.com, gmail.com, all the things. So they are not developed with .NET. I'm just giving as example. Okay, so mobile application. So mobile applications is nothing but our WhatsApp and Instagram or something. They are all related mobile applications. Desktop applications, microservices, cloud related application, machine learning, game related. So all these things. Sir, with after learning our .NET, can we design a game? So someone may ask me like that. So if you see the people who are working in Facebook, are the people who are working in this Google, are the people who are working in Microsoft. So the people who are working in all other companies, gaming developers, everyone is human beings. They are all like us only. They started their coding from zero only. They will also start from what? If they are from .NET background, definitely they will learn all this .NET. So they will search this what is from that stage only. Everyone started, right? Yes, anyone can develop. So if you have confidence and if you work very hard, so I mean you need to work hard, you need to think smart, then you are also eligible for developing any kind of operations and applications. Okay, so when the .NET was launched, please repeat. So it is in 2002 to the market. So Microsoft, so .NET is nothing but it's a Microsoft product. Okay, so by using .NET, we can build various applications like web application, mobile application, desktop applications, microservices, cloud related application, machine learning, game development, all these things we can implement by using what? .NET. Okay, so fine, sir. You mentioned so many things there. So you are creating so much interest in us, but how to develop all those things? Yeah, yeah. So it's at that time we were discussing about the various sessions. So session 1, session 2, session 3, session 4, like that. So after completion of all those sessions, we are supposed to do all those things. So now fine. So how to build the above listed application? So how we can build that? So see, for example, so .NET means it's a combination of what? So we will learn the C# related logic part. Okay, so in that logic part, we will discuss about what are data types, what are variables, how to print away some value in .NET in console application. We will learn about conditional statements, we will learn about arrays, we will learn about structures, we will learn about oops concepts, everything we will learn. So this is something related to logical part. So when we start learning this HTML, web technologies, there you will learn HTML, JavaScript related and other things. So when you start learning our web technologies, there you will learn ASP.NET, ASP.NET MVC core, you will learn web API, and you will learn ADO.NET. So many things you will learn. So if we combine all these things and if we implement something, then the website will be meaningful. See, for example, if you are trying to register your values in your Facebook, okay, so you entered all the values. After clicking on registration, it is showing like registration successful. Okay, but I don't have any SQL server. I did not wrote any code related to SQL server. Now, the very next day, I will try to log in with my previously created user ID and password. Then what will happen? simply it will give beautiful message like invalid credentials. Then you will think like, so I created all the details, I wasted half an hour time, and I asked so many friends what to give some values here, what type of, see, it is not accepting email ID, it is not accepting phone number, so can I give my number, or can I give, what will happen if I give some other's number? So you will ask so many questions on the when you are new to Facebook that time, so your friend, every one of your friends are using Facebook, and you are also thinking, I want one Facebook account, so my friends are enjoying with Facebook, so I also will start. So but when you create this Facebook account, what is happening? Because we don't have database, so the values are not saved. So due to that, what is happening there? You are unable to log in into your facebook.com, or you are unable to log in into your any website, because we are not saving the values anywhere. That means, so for registration purpose, you definitely need a user interface. Okay, so once the registration is successful, all the values should save in database. When you are trying to click on login, that should redirect you to login page. All these things will happen. If all these things happens parallelly, then only, the website will become meaningful. Okay, similarly, how we will develop desktop applications, how we will develop microservices, how we will develop web applications, how we will develop mobile application means, so we have various things involved here. So like programming languages, like technologies, like servers, it's a combination of what? Technology and languages. Okay, so all these things like programming language, technology, servers. So servers like SQL server related, technologies like ASP.NET, programming language like C Sharp, VB.NET, and J Sharp. So many languages are there. Okay, so if you learn everything properly, then you are able to build the application. Okay, so now fine, sir, what is this languages? Sir, this English, Hindi, Telugu, or Urdu, Kannada, Malayalam, that language? So this languages is nothing but our C Sharp.NET, VB.NET, J Sharp, COBOL.NET, Pascal.NET, etc. Actually, .NET supports 64 programming languages. Okay, within that, Microsoft introduced 11 languages. Okay, fine. So tomorrow we'll have session. Tomorrow we'll definitely give some notes. Okay, I mean, these are all basics only. From tomorrow we'll start giving some notes. We'll give some important points notes in our class, and also we'll place some materials in our we'll have some shared path there, we'll share. Okay, so fine. So see, it's a Microsoft product. It launched in 2002. Okay, so we can implement mobile applications, desktop applications, microservices, cloud, machine learning, game development, all these things we can implement by using .NET. But how to build those application means, we have various things like programming languages, technologies, and what? Servers. Okay, so we will discuss each and everything in detail. Okay, so first, so not here, but once we start, we'll start our C Sharp from tomorrow. So from there, we will teach what is the execution flow, how the program executes, everything I will explain there. Okay, so language. .NET support 64 programming languages. Okay, within that, Microsoft introduced 11 languages. Sir, what is this 64? What is this 11, sir? There is no relation between these two. See, 64 programming languages and 11 languages officially introduced by Microsoft. Okay, so if you go for this brands and all, so if you are trying to buy Adidas shoes or something, so you can get this Adidas shoes for some 5,000, 10,000, something like. But similarly, so in the market you will get so in place of A, they will keep some C or B or D or something, and you will get it will look like Adidas only, but it's not Adidas. So like they are like China pieces. Okay, so they will also support, and sometimes if we have some requirement to work on it, so we will use them. Okay, but anyway, people recommend this 11 So if you are working with Visual Studio, or if you are working with .NET, then definitely you will go for this level languages only. So example for that level languages is like C Sharp, VB, J Sharp, COBOL, Pascal, and etc. Okay, fine. So and remaining things I will discuss tomorrow. We'll go back to questions again. So is this become interest? Is this created some interest you guys, for you guys? So this will be very much interesting. So .NET means that will be like so easiest one to learn for anyone in the market. So we'll see each and everything from tomorrow. So tomorrow is 26. We'll have class. It's a public holiday here, but we'll have class. Anyway, we started two, 3 classes only, right? That's why we'll have class for tomorrow also. Okay, so we'll just go back, coming back to the questions. Why? Because we have some 4 or 5 minutes time. That's why. So I will try to answer the question. Okay, fine. Okay. Rashma, sir, will you teach web architecture 101 is RESTful API in .NET Core using BDD include web technology? Is C Sharp with C Sharp basics with introduction BDD? Same or different? So, madam, I will show you the course content maybe in tomorrow or day after tomorrow's class. There you can get complete idea on the course architecture and everything. Okay. Uh, Padansri, so for this, you kept C sharp or C sharp .NET or something. There is some history for this hash and all. So that will be very nice to listen and all. So that I will. I mean that's what we are going to discuss in maybe in upcoming session. So there is some history for this hash. So why that is called as hash and all. So we have some story. I will explain that story. So you need to wait for that suspense for 1 or 2 days. Padmaja. Okay. Sir, full stack fees is 3,000 for C Sharp. It's 3,500 amma. So you need to connect with Hari Prasad. So he will help you. Okay. I hope Rashma, I answered your question. Ravi. So what is meaning of with or without? So Ravi, you can connect with our Hari Prasad, so he will help you. So Rashma, I answered your question so many times. Sagar, is it C Sharp or C Sharp .NET course? Sagar, so same answer for you. So if you take full stack, that will include .NET Core, C Sharp, MVC, Web API. Rohit, okay, okay. So all the participants, please ping for registration. Hari Prasad sir. Okay. Wasim, okay. So Neeladri R. So can you do a 1:30 AM or PM? I don't know, but hours, 1.5 hour session. Okay. So 1.5 hour session. So we'll plan for that future for sure. If we have some time. Why? Because I'm running other batches also. So we need to plan for that. Okay. Sure. So what are the microservices application means? We'll discuss. Sai Krishna. Good morning, sir. You teach every day 2 hours class. Any chance? So Krishna, for now it's 1 hour only. But if there is some possibility, we'll try for that. So Vijay fees. So Vijay, I shown that that brochure, right? So please go through that, and also check with our Hari Prasad sir. So I shared his number, right? Divya sir, after completion of course, exam will be conducted on offline or online. So this one I'm not sure. So Harprasa sir, offline or online? Can you please speak? What is the difference between C Sharp and ASP.NET program language versus technology? So yeah, Maruti Reddy. So I will explain that tomorrow or day after tomorrow. The difference between ASP.NET and C Sharp. Shravani, is this course only on C Sharp? No, madam. So it's a full stack. So Hashini, so is the class there for tomorrow public holiday? So yeah, it's 1 hour class only, right? Anyway, so if you break the anyway we started some 2-3 days back only, so we'll try to continue that so that you people won't forget and all. That's why. So we'll continue tomorrow's class. Timing will be 6 to 7 only. So Rashma. Same timing. So timing won't change. Sir, can we complete all sessions in online itself? Yes, we can, Balaji. Swaraj, please connect with our Hari Prasad admin so that they will help you. C sharp is C sharp only. So no other technology, no other contents, whatever I shown there won't come under C sharp. It's C sharp .NET only. So we can call C sharp or C sharp .NET, anything is fine. So Neeladra, I already answered your question. In this class, only you explain MVC also, sir? Yes, I will explain. So do we get certificate from institute after completion of course? Yes, I think. So how many month we learn session 1 to session 5? So you forget about session 1 to session 5. We concentrate on session 1 for now. So we'll see later. If we consider the course duration 3 months, in that 3 months you will cover ASP.NET MVC. So we'll see that Tulasi sir, classes from Monday to Saturday or Friday? Saturday only. Bandar Praveen. So Bandar Praveen, please connect with Hari Prasad. So Manikanta, SQL C Sharp UI covered in this course. Yes, Tulasi. So and how many days? Sir, doubts cleared regarding prerequisite knowledge. Thank you, Ankit. So what is your personal cell number? I will definitely share. Okay, so finally, sir, ADO.NET is covered in C Sharp session or web technology session. So both. So we'll teach that in both sessions. Okay, that's it. I'm done from my end. Anyone have any questions? So I hope if I answered all the questions. Okay. Sir, you are not answered for what? C Sharp, how many days will complete means it's 2 months, 2 to 3 months. Okay, so if we consider the course duration 3 months, in that 3 months you will cover ASP.NET MVC, Web API, ASP.NET. See, so see, once C Sharp is completed, then we will start with ASP.NET MVC. That's what I can promise, but I don't know whether it will take 3 months or 4 months based upon the course content. So if you want, see, if we have 30 concepts in .NET MVC, if you want only 20 or 15 concepts, then tell me, then I will complete in 1 month. But you need each and everything, right? So just give me enough time so that I can explain each and every concepts clearly. Okay. So Ravi, I have no idea. Like you connect with our admin team, so they will help you if we have any other batches. Okay. One day only C Sharp or other classes, ASP or whatever. So yeah, we will run some classes parallelly. And one more thing, so sometimes we will take extra sessions also. Okay, in this course, we will learn session 1 to 5, all courses within 3,500 fees. So regarding fees, please connect with Hari Prasad. Fine. So I hope I answered all the questions. We'll meet. Thank you all for joining. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.